If you are looking for a high protein fat loss Indian diet with no whey protein or any kind of protein supplement, then you are in the right place. In this video, I'm gonna go over a 1700 calorie diet with 140 grams of protein. Let's do this. Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now, I've always said whey protein in no way, shape or form is absolutely necessary to reach your fitness goals. Yes, it is a convenient way to hit your protein requirements on a daily basis, but if you can get that through normal foods, then you really don't need it. So in this video, I'm going to go over a 1700 calorie Indian diet specifically for fat loss, which will be divided into 4 meals with a total of about 140 grams of protein without protein powder. But before we move ahead, please show some support and love by liking this video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below and I will be happy to answer it. Now, with that being said, let's get started with meal number 1, which is this super easy and tasty high protein paneer sandwich. To make it, add 112 grams of crumbled low fat paneer to a bowl with the following ingredients. Give all of that a good mix, and with that, your filling is ready. Next, take 4 slices of bread. The one I went with is 70 calories per slice. Distribute the paneer filling across 2 slices of bread, cover the top with the other 2 slices, and then lightly coat one side of the bread with butter. Place the coated side on a pan, set on medium flame. While that toasts, lightly coat the other side with some butter too. Toast the sandwiches until the bread is golden brown and crispy on both sides, and there you have it. Your mouth-watering high-protein paneer sandwich is ready. This is meal number 1, and it's a total of about 700 calories, of which 65 grams are carbs, 24 grams are fat, and 41 grams are protein. Moving on to meal number 2, which is this quick and easy egg fried rice. To make it, in a bowl, whisk 1 whole egg and 5 egg whites. Add it onto a pan set to medium flame, coated with some cooking spray. Once it's about 80% cooked, add 100 grams of white rice, along with half tablespoon of low sodium soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of your favorite masala. I went with this chicken biryani seasoning, 1 teaspoon of green chili sauce, and some salt if needed. Give it all a good mix, transfer it onto a plate, garnish it with some green onions, and there you go. Literally takes 10 minutes, guys. Your delicious high protein egg fried rice is ready. This entire meal is about 335 calories, of which 40 grams are carbs, 5 grams are fat, and 34 grams are protein. Moving on to a quick snack in the evening, which is this delicious pudding. To make it, add 250 grams of Greek yogurt. I went with Dannon Light and Fit, along with 5 crushed almonds and 15 grams of raisins. Give it a good mix, and there you have it. A perfect low-calorie, high-protein snack. This is a total of about 215 calories, 28 grams of carbs, 3 grams of fat, and 22 grams of protein. Moving on to the final meal of the day, which is this chicken roll, another easy peasy recipe. To make it, add 150 grams of chicken thighs to a mixing bowl. Make sure you trim the fat off first wherever you can. Then to that, add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, a pinch of turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder, some salt to taste, and finally 1 teaspoon of non-fat yogurt. Mix well and set aside for a few minutes. Cook the chicken on medium flame until it's well done. Then to a normal sized whole wheat roti, spread 10 grams of light mayo or this eggless mayo along with 1 teaspoon of green chili sauce. Add the cooked chicken along with a few onions and 28 grams of reduced fat cheese, and there you have it, a high protein and tasty chicken roll, which is ready within minutes. This is about 400 calories, of which 28 grams are carbs, 16 grams are fat, and 44 grams are protein. And finally, like always, with all the meals combined, we get a total of about 1,650 calories, 161 grams of carbs, 48 grams of fat, and 141 grams of protein. And there you have it, guys, 140 grams of protein through this diet, and keep in mind, no protein supplement whatsoever. These are the kind of meals that I eat. These are the kind of meals my clients eat, and I say this all the time, but if we can hit our fitness goals, so can you. You don't have to completely change up your diet to start losing weight. It's all about making sure you're eating meals that are high in protein, relatively low in calories, and most importantly, everything is being tracked. As long as you do these things, you can eat anything and you will still make all kinds of gains. And with that thought, we come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found it informative. If you did, please go ahead, like, subscribe, leave a comment, and until next time, you take care, you stay safe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.